George the Municipal Chief Executive, Honorable Benjamin Kennedy, members of the Electronic and Print Media Fraternity, the Chief of Achampin, distinguished invitees, parents, and I am extremely delighted to welcome you all to the 2022 first graduation of our noble school. It has been a great year notwithstanding the challenges at Montessori International School. We believe champions are born in training and so Clara, Boateng, Omane, count it all joy and great honor to stand before you today as a champion to deliver this speech on behalf of my fellow graduation champions. Today is a moment for those of us graduates from nursery to primary, trying the course of the year. We have made new friends and shredded old ones. We are better now than we first started, in spite what we've been through. I think we look well on the food today. Don't you think so? It deserves a round of applause. We are not just the future as many often say. We are also very much part of the present. What we are today is a result of the training we recruited from Montessori International School. We have not just been educated here. We have been nurtured mentally, physically, socially, and spiritually. I can boldly say we are not just ready for the challenges of today, but also for the opportunity. The future may present as we continue with our education. We are indeed ready to continue the journey. All these ones have been possible without the amazing work. You are absolutely wonderful. We are also very grateful to our estate management and staff. Your commitment and dedication to work ensure that we had an estate system to learn and grow. You are simply super. To our parents, we say thank you. Merci. Thank you, Messi. Ngode, Yedamwasi. You are the best ever. Your prayers, efforts, patience, and will not be in vain. You will live successful in life. Finally, to our God and King, we remain ever grateful to the future ahead of us. Is bright and colorful, and we are in a hurry to get there. Goodbye, kindergarten. Welcome to School Great and Beyond. See you at the top. God bless you.
God bless you all. Clara.